What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Aviators. Kind of got a reveal going today. So I drove halfway across the state and picked up my new seats for the Luscombe, and I only had like 1 minute to look at them. He had, one of them already in a bag, and he was putting the other ones in a bag. So I haven't even really seen these seats to know if I like them or not. So thought we'd open them together. What do you say? All right. Well, here they are in big plastic trash bags. It's kind of chilly here today, so sniffling and wearing a coat. I need a big old heated box hanger is what I need. So we'll get these out and well, there are the backs. Wow, those turned out really, really, really good. I like them. Yeah, these are gonna fit really, really nice. Let's look at the bottoms. And it's light. God, I don't know how much lighter it is than the old ones. Whew. Boy, they smell. So here's one of the bottoms. Not bad. I can tell they're going to be comfortable. And, well, I haven't even sat in the plane yet, so. And here's the other one. Wow, those turned out great. Let's go put them in. Okay, so here is the, I can already tell there's something I'm not going to like about this, and that is those holes. They either need covers or something. I don't want to just put the leather straight onto them, but just for today's purposes, let's grab one of these seats. Well, that's what they're going to look like on the bottoms. That's pretty cool. Actually, I think I got this backwards. I think I need to put the back in first, so let's go ahead and do that. That looks pretty decent. Now this other cushion should just slide right in here. Okay, and here is the second seat going in, and there we have it. Looks really, really good in here. Yeah, I think that's going to look and work just fine. So the guy that actually made these for me is the same guy that made the seats in the RV, and so just a really talented guy and probably the most inexpensive upholsterer you've ever met. He did these seats for he did the RV seats for like $600, which is crazy cheap, and they're, beautiful. Here, I'll show them to you. Here are the RV seats, and he did those boots for the control sticks as well. But anyways, I mean, I'm just always impressed with the work the guy does, and these are no exception. So overall, I'm really happy. I'm happy they popped in so quickly. Good Lord, I thought it would take, usually projects take me like an hour project. I use a 10 multiplier, so if it's an hour, it takes me 10 hours. But, for you guys watching, it'd probably be a heck of a lot quicker than that, so. All right, well, I think that's a wrap on this one. I thought this would be a longer video, usually because I like trip over stuff and do things wrong, but apparently we're good today. So, anyways, if you like this sort of thing, like, subscribe, comment. Till next time.